Welcome to introduction of Hlookup function. Under this section, we are going to look at that what's the Hlookup function and what are the type of Hlookup function. The first part we are going to look at that what's the Hlookup function. Hlookup function is an actual function to look up and retrieve the data from a specific row in the table. The H in the Hlookup stand for horizontal, where lookup value appear in the first row of the table moving horizontally in the right. It means that we have already studied about Vlookup function. V mean vertical lookup function. Now we are going to be study Hlookup function. H mean horizontal lookup function, right? The horizontal lookup function mean based on the horizontal lookup we can extract the data from the particular range or particular table. That is called that Hlookup function. The formula is very simple. First we have to put that equal sign, then we need to call the Hlookup and we have to write it Hlookup. Then start the bracket. We have to pass 4 parameters inside the bracket. The first parameter is lookup value. Lookup value mean which basis you are going to be search, right? So that is the lookup value. The second we have to pass the table array. We have to select the table. Then third is row index. In the Vlookup function it shows that column index, but here in the row index we have to be enter. After that the range of lookup. If you want to be get that exact match, we have to be select the exact. If you want to be get that approximate, you can choose the approximate match. So this is the example we are going to be look in the practical section. In the Hlookup function exact match, under the exact match we are going to be do this a practical section. You can see here in the store management sheet, then product code, product name, category, brand, store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, store 5. Likewise they have entered the data. And then product code LP1, product name is laptop i3, category i3, model brand is HP, and store 1 available 35 laptop, and store 2 available 40 laptop, and store 3 available 64 laptop, and store 4 available 24 laptop, and store 5 available 68 laptop, right? So now if you want to be retrieve the data based on this chart, we can use the Hlookup function. If I enter the product code, it will show the product name, category, brand, how many laptops are available is store 1, store 2, store 3, store 4, store 5. We can use the Hlookup function. We will see the example in the practical section. Now we are going to be look at that the type of Hlookup function. There are two type of Hlookup function based on the lookup range. We can divide it the Hlookup function based on the lookup range. The first one is exact match, other one is approximate match. Now we are going to be look at that what's the exact match. Exact match mean if you want to be get exactly what's the contain in the cell which you want to be retrieve the data, we can use the Hlookup in the exact match mode, right? For an example, if you enter product code in this cell, the product name, category and brand, store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, laptop available should be retrieved. What's in the contain in the cell, it should be retrieved here. It means that exactly what's the contain in the cell, it should be retrieved to this chart. That is called that exact match. Now we are going to be look at that the approximate match. Approximate match mean when you want to be retrieve the data best match, not necessary to exact match, right? So in this case you need to use the approximate mode in the Hlookup function. If you look at this example, you can easy to understand. We will practice this example in the practical section. You can see here this is employee sales report 2020 and then sale commissions. If it is sales 0 to 10,000, it's not applicable, right? And 10,000 to 15,000, the commission should be 5%, and 15,000 to 20,000, the commission should be 8%. Then 20,000 to 25,000, the commission should be 11%, and more than 25,000, the commission should be 14%. So if you want to be use this commission percentage in this commission column, we can use that approximate match, right? Based on the approximate match, we can retrieve the data from this table to here, right? It will match the best matching to retrieve the data. We will see in the practical section in the deep manner about this topic.